These ones are ones which make me smile on the inside. Like, this is going to be peak happiness. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Ah, class 47. Whoa. Prince William edition and that. Yeah, it's the Prince William collab. And class 84. Oh, look at it. Like them are like some of my favourite, like the freight diesel locomotives. I don't know, like when I used to see them and like go past as a kid there, but like push it, like where it's got like a massive train behind it. Yeah, I'm gonna go have a little walk because and then on the other side there's a bloody mallard. Look at that big massive duck. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.